junior heavyweight tag team action next on CWF Worldwide, and I'm joined by maybe one of the premier junior heavyweights on the circuit, the third Duckling, Colby Corino, and I are in the booth on this tag team bout.
Bell sounds, we are underway. These four at times will move faster than I can keep up with, so I am happy to have the Generation Ace, the third member of the Ugly Ducklings, Colby Corino, in the booth here, because Colby, maybe you can keep up with how fast and furious these four men will be moving in this tag team bout.
I hope I can, because if you can, yeah. There you go.
I'll do my best, as will the Generation Ace.
Something seems to be drawing their attention outside the ring. It's a whiteboard sign. Unreadable from my perspective because the bag's towards me. Start getting what I want.
Go behind, no sir. Shea McGrady does not allow Lance Lude to lock up. These four will be moving faster than we can keep up with, so I'm happy to have the Generation Ace and the third Ugly Duckling, Colby Corino, in the booth. Colby, if these guys get moving too fast for me to call, you're going to have to take it, because this is your style. This is your wheelhouse. High-flying, fast-paced, high-impact professional wrestling.
Indeed it is. I know these two individuals pretty well. I think I'm pretty well acquainted with their high-speed style.
Now, how familiar with you, if at all, are you with Shea McGrady and Will Demented? Because there's a real interesting dynamic here. These two former tag team partners of Rob Killjoy when he was swimming in other ponds, shall we say. A little bit of a feeling on their part like Rob Killjoy kind of left them to join the Ducklings.
I think they're just bitter ex-girlfriends that are upset that, you know, that Rob found new girlfriends to hang out with, and me and Lance Lude.
Learning more and more about y'all's interesting partnership as we go along. Shoulders down, referee Kevin Pierce. You've been in the ring, Colby. You know you gotta be mindful at all times of where your shoulders are, where the ropes are. There's good thinking there by Shea McGrady trying to wrestle Lance Lude's shoulders to the mat. The most common place to lose the matchup is if your shoulders are on the canvas. Shea using the hair and everything.
That's unsportsmanlike.
Big knee right in the sternum. Shea and Demented.
Lance up and over. Arm drag.
High profile, have made a name for themselves on the western part of the state, but you know, a win over the Ugly Ducklings with our worldwide cameras rolling here, it raises their profile even higher. More opportunities, you know, looking around this room here in Thomasville, the TNT management is here, obviously. CWF Mid-Atlantic management is here. PWX management is here. You can raise your profile with a win on this card, as everyone is here. Cover from Killjoy. Everyone is here for the big Ultra J title matchup still to come in this hour. Representatives from all the major wrestling offices in the Carolinas are here. The USIWF office is here. So a win raises your profile and could lead to more opportunities. You know how important that is. More opportunities, more bookings, your pay goes up, you get to travel more, you get to live the dream even more. But you gotta win to do it.
They got a pretty tough hump in the Ugly Ducklings, but we'll see if high profile can do it. Probably not.
Swing and a miss.
Whoa.
Rob Killjoy, looked like he tried to catch him there for a second, but Will Demented able to shift his body weight. Now, Rob knows high profile very well. Familiarity with your opponents. He's going to have it scouted just like beautiful. Right there. Oh, he's going to take him all the way around the ring.
Fish out of water. They must be getting dizzy. Oh, yep, yes they are.
Going to a corner where nobody's at.
Oh, tough forearm to the jaw of Will Demented.
And almost got him, almost rocked his world there. again. The Ducks in a very short amount of time have put together so much amazing teamwork. Sometimes it takes years.
Together, we call this the Ed, Ed, and Eddie.
Sometimes it takes years to put teamwork like this together. Somebody's going to have to do your part here, Cole.
Oh!
Big splash through the ropes. Cover only gets 2.
Lance grabbing Will by the rat tail. Telling Shea McGrady to shut up, just like he deserves.
And a slam from Lude, the most experienced man in the match, but not by a long shot. Killjoy has spent years and years. Well, that teamwork, Colby.
Oh! Standing moonsault.
2! Oh my God.
So close. Dangerous over the ropes. Whoa! Double plunge into the outside onto the Waffle House team.
Almost took out the front row. And Thomasville, North Carolina is clocking along with the Ugly Ducklings. They got to get them back in the ring, though.
They can't win it on the outside, unfortunately. Not in this type of match. Rolls Will back in. Lance and Will, the legal men, do a little play-by-play and bag my day.
It's true, we got one, maybe the youngest vet in the business right here with me.
Yep, just turned 20 today.
What is that, like 12 years in the sport?
Pretty close.
Back elbow, Lude just creamed him.
Oh!
Beautiful shot.
Spinning pig splat.
High profile doing well here, looking to try and score what I would call an upset, quite frankly.
People want to talk about the Ducks being dirty, but I can't even describe the smell of when these guys walk into the room. Like, they make us look like well-bathed individuals.
What a Survivor Series team the 5 of you would make somewhere. Shea McGrady trying to draw the ire of Killjoy. Killjoy should know better. The veterans should know better, Colby.
Yeah, they should, but sometimes when you're in the moment, you get a little angry. You need to punch someone in the face when stuff's not going your way. Don't win.
Oh, for the R-Stall special. Oh, dropped him across the sternum. Ow.
Kick. Oh. Only 2. Rob Killjoy listening to quacks of the crowd on the outside.
Face first into the buckle.
Oh, knee in the sternum.
High profile controlling the match right now. Are you surprised that these guys are a full-time team just like the Ducklings, but are you surprised they've been able to control your men so well?
There's always weak times and tough times, especially when they're isolated. They're doing very well with cutting the ring in half and keeping Lance isolated from Rob. And it works dividends, but I think Lance is going to be able to
cover 2.
Kick out.
Not to mention, this is what, day 3 or 4 of a 3 or 4 day loop for the Ducks. High profile has been off this whole time. This is their first match of a long loop, whereas the Ducks have been wrestling every night leading up to this big event.
Yeah, definitely the wear and tear on your body, it definitely comes into effect in a match like this.
High profile looking really, really good here against the Ducks.
Oh, that was not really, really good. That was really, really bad. You can't choke on ropes. It's illegal.
Ow!
Got what he deserved.
Might be dimming the lights there of Lance Lude.
Oh, no, I missed all.
Cover dead center! Only got 2. Referee Kevin Pierce right there, and the choke. They'll have to break it before 5.
the back. Jawbreaker.
Lude kicking away. He's got to break him down. He's too close to his corner, though. Lude needs to get Will Demented into the Ducklings corner.
I hate to say it, but if Lance spent a little bit more time backing up and making the tag to Rob, we probably would have had a little shift in momentum there. Well, I spoke a little too soon.
Good thinking, though, from the veteran Lance Lude. Oh! They collide, and now he's got an opening.
Crowd thoroughly quacking. Lance just has to make it across the 18 by 18 foot ring. Whoa, roll, makes the tag.
When you've got that quickness, you can make it across faster than most.
Oh, clothesline, back elbow. Whips off. Whoa, super high backdrop.
Rob Killjoy feeling it here.
We call this the quack zone.
He is entering it. Oh! That just knocked a few more teeth out. Oh! Shea doesn't have many more to give. Oh! Another one.
That's my little duck.
Oh, they stopped him. They have stopped the Ducklings again.
Let's come back to the numbers game between with the 2-on-1. But Rob makes do, clashes them both together. A side
Caught him. He's got to cover somebody. No, Killjoy is going to try to regroup. This crowd is behind him.
He's now reached the ultra quack zone.
You guys have got names for everything. We need to put out a guidebook.
Prima strategy guides.
How dare!
Oh, he's getting worn out.
I think he's tired. He may have overexerted himself.
Oh, no! Second breath!
I thought for a second there Killjoy had climaxed too soon, but he kept going. Swing and a miss. Heads up.
Oh, T-bone.
Dead center. Will Demented, though, maybe the legal man. I hope Kevin Pierce has kept track of it, because I haven't.
Oh! Sweet chin music.
High profile for the win, perhaps. Satellite DDT. He's got to make the cover, though. He's got to make the cover.
Come on, kick out, Rob. Yes!
Only two does not get much closer than that. Colby Corino, your teammates are in trouble.
There's Lance at.
Down on the far side of the ring.
I need your help right now. I see him. Slowly inches his way up.
Yeah, I see a hand on the far side of the ring from Lance Lude.
High profile, just double teaming Rob. Oh,
Colby having to, Killjoy having to come back by himself, Colby.
whoa! Huge German suplex from Roberto. Lance coming back in. Oh, double knees in the corner.
Now, he likes to use Lance Lude's body as a weapon here to follow up. That's my line.
I got you.
Demented has been compromised. Shea
Oh, they just need a big cover. Oh, no. Oh. Feet.
Oh, he caught Lude.
Lance. Oh.
My God.
Some sort of code breaker. Oh, jumping knee to the back.
Well, Killjoy is dangerous with those knees, bro.
Ooh, that's just a spinning hip slap again. See that? Ooh, knee lift.
Caught him.
Oh, on the Sawa killer.
Oh, that's not nice. Oh, dear.
Dump driller.
On his head. Legal in a TNT ring. Legal in a TNT ring is that double underhook pile driver. If this were CWF Mid-Atlantic, the match would be called. But at this special TNT event, pile driver's legal. And
Oh, he caught him. Rob's deceptively strong. Oh,
muscled him up.
I just told you. Uh-oh.
Shea, wrong part of town. Colby.